Hi! So, I just made Deja a little treat puzzle. I'm not sure how long this is going to last. I will admit it's not the most sturdy of puzzles, but she really wants it, don't you? Yeah? Can you sit? Good girl. Ready? Get it! Get it, Deja. Go on. Ah, she's usually using the batted around technique. Oh. Oh gosh. Hopefully that was just a treat.
It crunched.
Yeah, well, okay. Yeah, there's a few crunchies in there, so. Oh, there's one. Good girl. She hasn't hit the jackpot yet. Come on, you get it. Go on. Go get it. Go on. Good girl. You get it? Oh, good girl. Come on, Deja. Oh, good girl. Yummy, yummy.
Oh, I want the box.
Just thoroughly inspect it, make sure there isn't anything else in there.
Oh, there is something.
Ooh. Oh, is there more in there?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Good girl. Oh, it's a big one. Good job. I think that's all of them. Yeah, I think that's all of them. Okay, I shouldn't laugh at her, but that was kind of funny.
I don't know, that's worth laughing at. We're gonna go scuba in the box.
I don't think there's anything left in there, Deja. There you go. Yeah, get it. She's convinced that there's more treats somewhere else. Alright, well, I think that's the end of her puzzle box.